everybody? It's Nate with Northwest RV 11, and I'm going to do a couple things today. I'm going to do a product review. I'm going to show you how to clean your carpet in your RV because your entryway carpet always just gets thrashed. And I'm going to show you a couple techniques, a couple good little ideas to use, and go from there. So first thing you want to do, what I like to do is I usually use this was a mop, but it has a really good bristle. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me check. Yeah, okay, so, and I'll, brush everything one way and get it all one direction and pretty thick and heavy, and then I'll bust out my shop vac with this little nifty end. It has a little light on it, easily replaceable. There's only like $6, I think, at Home Depot, and suck it all up, and then I'll get all the heavy stuff up like that, and then I'll go back over with my $2.49 at Target super stiff bristle brush, and I'll get really into it. And what you're trying to do is, so you got the carpet fibers, they're like this. What you want to do is you want to get them like that, so you can get the dirt up out of them. And then you want to suck that crap up too. And you know how you kind of do like the carpet, the carpet makes a different color one way, and then when you go the other way, you push it back. Well, you want to get it opened up good, then you want to suck that really good. You want to vacuum. The main thing is get it really vacuumed as best you can. You want a good, like anything with cleaning, you want the best surface to begin with. And the first product we're going to use is, I believe this comes with like the Armor All kit. I'm not a super huge fan, but it ain't that, big of a deal. So we're going to move you over this way. Let me make sure I can. Excuse my mess, but hey, guess what? I live in my RV with my wife and our dogs, and I have friends. Yes, that's right. I have friends that come over. Come on now. I'm just getting better at these videos, folks, so please bear with me here. Yeah. How's that? That looks good? Okay. You can see the spot right here. And then we got a few other little spots back in here. And, well, pretty much this whole area is just messed. I've been working quite a bit lately, and I haven't had time to keep up on the RV. So this says, shake it really, really good. Give it a good little mist. I think that's about good. Let foam work for 30 to 40 seconds. I missed that bigger spot a little bit. There we go. Well, I'm a big fan of agitating shit. Oh, excuse my language. I'm working on that. I'm sure y'all can see, and I'm going to move you guys over a little bit more so that way I can really get in it. You want a little bit of elbow grease, y'all. Still crap coming up. Jeez. Oh, I was like, because I have big carpets in the front of my motorhome. I have one of those plastic bristle brushes, carpet, pads outside to really get your feet good, and I have a better one. I'll go at the one part of this video. I'll go over my pads or my rugs, my entryway rugs, with you to show you. And still, it's just like dirt. 30 minutes later, drives me nuts. But I was told one time, you gotta understand the square footage of your motorhome, and everybody's usually used to a house, and that's where I came from. I came from a big 5-bedroom, like 3-bathroom house, big garage, and maybe had to vacuum twice a week if it was really bad. But now it's like 3 times a day. But the reason is, you know, you have so many more people in a smaller area. Even if you wipe your dog's paws off, you're still, you know, they're so low to the ground. I got my little baby girl dog, Chihuahua. So, it's starting to kind of come up. And then at the end it says, scrub with damp cloth, wipe it clean with dry cloth. I got one of them. You can never have too many microfiber towels, right? And definitely make sure that you've washed these towels beforehand, because if they're like the red shop towels or any type of dye, it can leak out into your carpet and make you a bigger headache. So let me see if you can see that. You can see the dirt coming up a little bit, but like I said, that's that Armor All stuff, carpet cleaner. Not a real big fan of it. So the other day when I was at Target, I saw this stuff. Shout. I don't know about you guys, but I love using this stuff on my clothes because I'm a dirty man with a dirty mind. And this was like $4 maybe, a little less than $4. Same time I got this cool brush. Don't go buy the expensive auto detail brushes and stuff in the auto section. Go to your house cleaning section. $2.49 like I said earlier. So, you know, heavier, dirtier spots, of course. Give them a good little direct shot. You're definitely going to get some little grease into this. I promise you, it'll be worth it. Take your time and do it right. And you want to use products, but you don't want to saturate your carpet. Make sure definitely you have some propane on board so you can turn on your furnace afterwards and help dry it out. Let's get me another one. So bam. I missed a spot. sometimes if you get down in there and you pull the carpet actually physically apart with your hands, take the top of your brush. Because I don't know about you guys, but I worked awfully hard for my motorhome. If you take care of it, not only if you're going to sell it in the future, it'll sell better, but it's just a point of pride. So, as you can tell, pretty good looking. And just keep moving on back. Make sure you guys can see that. And also, I got these cool little Dirt Devil, little handy vac. And that just helps pick up any other dirt, because no matter how many times you vacuum it, more dirt comes up. That's the only thing I really don't not like about carpet. When I was younger, my folks remodeled their house, and when we pulled up the carpet, even though my mother, God bless her soul, was a pretty good clean freak, she had 3 kids, and needless to say, there was a little bit of dirt underneath that carpet. So, eventually down the road, I might put a hardwood surface in, but I don't know. Me and a white carpet, just not a good thing. Oh, and another thing. See how my handle is one, solid piece? You want to make sure you do not get a brush like this. There's a little spot in here where this little rubber piece slips on, and when you scrub it, it just pops right off, and it's really aggravating. So make sure you get a solid handle brush. And what's funny is that brush costs the same amount as this brush. Man, still kicking up a lot of dirt. Maybe I should have went over it again with the There's all sorts of weird stuff in this carpet. So in a spot like that, give it a good little douse. Depending on what it is, you might be able to get it up. It's like some sort of weird wax. Huh.